Thank you, Linda. So now we're moving from the community health assessment into the CHIP process. The purpose of the CHIP is, again, to pick out the top strategic issues that we can focus on in our community health improvement process. It's very critical that we do this to achieve a healthy Southern Nevada. As Dr. Iser discussed, the CHIP is a community-wide strategic plan. It is a tool that allows us to align resources and abilities to fit and to develop a plan for a healthy Southern Nevada. There are 7 steps, as we discussed, to the CHIP process. The first 2 steps are here. Now we're going to move into the 3rd step. We do this by engaging our local public health partners. We put this diagram up. All of you are part of the public health system. All of us are part of the public health system, and we need to work together, again, to develop a strategic plan for Southern Nevada. When we ask you to vote, we know that every one of you has a unique perspective that you bring. And vote from that perspective. But vote for the overall good of Southern Nevada and Southern Nevadans. As was mentioned by Sean and Victor, we want to look at seriousness and magnitude. In seriousness, we're looking at, what degree of premature death or disability is a result of this problem? What is the potential burden on our society and our community here in Southern Nevada? What happens if we don't address this problem? When considering magnitude, how many people does this affect here in Southern Nevada, directly or indirectly? And what is the cost to our communities here in Southern Nevada? Please take out your voting worksheet that you have in your packet. We're going to ask you to go around and view each poster. During the poster session, you can ask questions. More importantly, we want you to be able to, there's labels in your packet. If your organization that you represent is working on a problem, please put your label that you're working on a problem. If your organization knows of someone who's working on this problem, please put your label that we can get in contact with them. Or if you yourself are interested in working on this problem, please put your label down. That way we can group and form process action teams once we decide our strategic initiatives. When voting, again, seriousness and magnitude, circle. All you have to do is circle your score, 5 being the most impactful to you, 1 being the least, and total that score. We will collect these scores at the end, and we are going to give preliminary results at the conclusion of today's meeting. Please stay in the room and discuss the priority areas with each other. Try to resist the temptation of checking voicemail, replying to emails, or doing other things. As discussed, we really are looking at forming focus groups to work on the strategic issues that we have decided here today. And with that, I'd like to turn it over to Linda, and we'll go through the process of our voting. Thank you, Linda.